Yeah. Yeah, gets a freshman will develop in a few years. You'll be seeing them running some pretty incredible times here. We now go to section 4 of the girls 400 freshman race. Everybody's listed as either 108 or 106, so this could be just a great battle here. Big group listed. They're not all out there though, so we'll take who's here, and it's like number 9. That would be Kayla Dudley of Port Richmond going into the lead. Port Richmond is burning up the track in these later 400s here. Kayla Dudley, Port Richmond, well out in the lead. Can she hold on though? Sometimes the freshmen burn a little bit too much early on, so we'll see. She is getting a challenge now. Coming up is Alice Smith of the Wesleyan Bud. 106 for Kayla Dudley of Port Richmond, so she's got that win in the books.